Welcome back to the channel Krishi Vichar. In this video, we will discuss about the orchard. What is orchard? Orchard is an area of land devoted to the cultivation of fruit or nut trees, or it is an intentional plantation of trees or shrubs that is maintained for food production. Orchards are also sometimes a feature of large gardens where they serve an aesthetic as well as productive purpose. Establishment of an orchard is a long-term investment and deserves a very critical planning. The selection of proper location and site, planting system, planting distance, choosing the varieties and the nursery plants have to be considered very carefully to ensure maximum production. Then, location and site. The location should be in a well-established fruit-growing region because one could get the benefit of experience of other growers. There should be a market close to the area. The climate should be suitable to grow the chosen fruit crops. Adequate water supply should be available around the year. But before choosing a site, for establishing an orchard, we must have assessed the following factors. Some factors for selecting a site are suitability of soil, its fertility, the nature of subsoil and subsoil depth. Site must have proper drainage and no water stagnation during rainy season. The climate should be suitable for growing the chosen fruits. Availability of labor. Layout of orchard. The system of layout should aim at providing maximum number of trees per hectare. The adequate space for proper development of trees and ensuring convenience in orchard cultural practices. The system of layout can be grouped under two broad categories. The first one is vertical row planting pattern and the second one is alternate row planting pattern. Vertical row planting system. It includes two square planting method and rectangular planting method. In square planting method, the trees are planted on each corner of a square. In the center, we can grow a filler tree. This system is the simplest and easiest method with no labor cost for designing, and this method is widely used for the most preferred one. Rectangular planting method. In this system, the trees are planted on each corner of a square. Whatever may be the planting distance, the distance between row to row is more than distance between plant to plant. Then alternate row planting system. First one is diagonal or quincunx method. Second, triangular planting method. Third, hexagonal planting method. Fourth, contour or terrace method. Diagonal or quincunx system. This is same as the square method of plantation, but an additional tree is added on the center of the square. Triangular planting method. This method of planting is based on the isolateral triangle. The distance between any two adjacent trees in a row is equal to the perpendicular distance of two adjacent rows. Hexagonal planting system. The trees are planted on each corner of an equilateral triangle. This way, 6 trees from hexagon with the 7th tree in the center. The system is difficult to design but provides equal spacing, and also it requires a proper knowledge. Hexagonal system of planting is used for high density planting where the area is less and we need a maximum production. Then, contour system of planting. This system is generally followed in hilly areas where the plants are planted along the contour across the slope. It is particularly suited to lands with undulated topography where there is greater danger of erosion and irrigation of orchard is difficult. Thank you. That was all about the orchard and its type. If you like this video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel for further updates. Till then, stay tuned, stay motivated. Bye-bye.